Blog Talk Radio.
Check out the full episode of this on MENTELLECT Patreon. I said to you all before that no real society, no real government, no real community, no real international or national power or citizens or group of people can last long without a staple, without a basic, without a foundational law and order that they must follow in order to continue the society going forward. Remember how Greece and Rome fell, right? How did Greece and Rome fall? How did Greece and Rome fall? They was doing the same things they were doing here in America today. Yes. Yeah, I'm allowed. All the stuff that was going on back then is going on right now. It's a recycling of that old society, and that society died out. That's why I said this society under the beast is not going to see 300 years. America is not even 300 years old. I told America it's been a government for over 248 years, or 240-something years. It's not going to see 300 years. It's going to break up. And the reason being is because there's so much degeneracy here, no law here, no law for men, no law for women, no law here. Everything is just do as thou wilt. That's it. And when you have that type of energy there, you cannot raise viable people. You cannot raise viable children into adults. There has to be law and order set in place. Now, when you have people who are living in a land and there are many different nationalities, right? Many different nationalities, many different ideologies and philosophies, it's hard to really establish a set law and order amongst the people. So now what you got is basic policies that are in place to replace the laws, because the beast knew it was impossible with so many people coming from different places with different ethnicities and backgrounds and beliefs and things like that. It was impossible to set up a law here that everybody would abide by. They say this is a great Christian society. Christian society. But we know that it is really a Greco-Roman society.
For the complete broadcast, you're going to have to go to MENTELLECT Patreon. Go to MENTELLECT Patreon for this complete broadcast, because it will not, I guarantee you, it will not be on YouTube. Subscribe to MENTELLECT Patreon and join the American Republic.
Subscribe to Ethnic American channel with Sister Enra Vendetta. That's our channel, the Ethnic American channel.
And subscribe to High and Mighty Talks on YouTube with NUBEN MENKARAYZZ.